Today is an exciting day because my wheels for the 540 have finally come. I finally made the decision. I finally got the tires. They're all here. So a little backstory is I had a set of WED Serbs built for this car. JDM wheels, older JDM wheels. I thought I would really love them and I was super stoked. I had them built by VR. I got them. They were sweet. Test fitted them. Front was perfect. Rear was far too wide. I would have needed to pull my quarters quite a lot. But that really wasn't the main issue. I had tires mounted and everything, and I figured, all right, I'll pull them. I just didn't like them. If I have a picture, I'll put it up when I test fitted them. It didn't fit the car like I thought they would. I think the tires were too big was the main thing, but I didn't really feel like getting different size tires for them. I really didn't like them as much in person as I thought I would. No one's ever done it before. I wanted to be a little special, but I said to hell with it. So I sold them, and I found these while I was trying to sell those. I told the guy, yo, I need these, but you know, I gotta sell something first. And these aren't anything new. If you watched my trans video, if you looked at the thumbnail, if you paid any attention, and if you followed me on Instagram, you'll see I have run these on this car before. I borrowed them from Kyle, and I loved them. So I told myself, forget the $2,000-$3,000 three-piece wheels. These are far cheaper, and they fit the car well, and I already fitted them on the car. I know they fit with the spacers I have, and I was like, this is going to be it. It's a nice, solid setup for a car that, you know, I'm not totally in love with, so I say this in every video. So this way I don't feel guilty, you know? I don't feel guilty about buying wheels that are more expensive than the car. They're practical wheels. They're period correct wheels. And here they are. So these are the AC Schnitzer Type 2, I believe. I'm not really a Schnitzer fanatic. I think they're Type 2. But yeah, these are chrome. Usually I guess not usually. I do like my chrome wheels as the HREs, as you guys know. But I don't know, like between the chrome and parallels, I'm usually like a silver wheel guy over chrome. And they actually look, honestly, these look like the same freaking wheels practically. But for these wheels, the chrome really did it for me. I don't know what it is about them, but it really hit. Got these for a really good price, and as you can see, they're pretty solid. They got a few, you know, issues. This one's got some wet sand marks from rash and some scuffs, but a little bit of chrome peeling here and there. But otherwise, these are pretty damn clean. I'm actually really happy with them. So shout out to Adam who got me these. He was holding on to me for a while because I was waiting to sell my Serbs, as I said. So I'm stoked. God, it's really hot out here. I'm out of breath from unboxing these. But yeah, I'm gonna go get these mounted right now so I can get these on. I'm just super stoked to have this car on some wheels. So I'm gonna go to my tire place, get these mounted real quick, and then we'll fit them. So we're back with the tires. I didn't get to put them on yesterday because of that. I'm sure I'll upload that video before this video. If not, stay tuned. But I got all the tires mounted up, and I knew what tire sizes I wanted because when I borrowed these from Kyle, he had these tire sizes and I liked them. So I just bought these, and the guy used diesel to mount them, so I gotta clean them up because they're really gross with diesel all over them. I didn't know you could use diesel to mount car tires. I guess it works as a good lubricant or whatever. Oh, it's hot in here. I decided to wait till the wheels were on the car. And I'm just using a sponge. Usually I'd use a microfiber, but I don't want diesel on my microfibers. And there we have it. Aired it out, and it is perfect. I knew it would because, like I said, I had these on the car before when I was borrowing Kyle's. Same wheels, same specs. I knew they would work. I'm missing the center caps. Those are on the way. Bear with me there. Those kind of make them look a lot less cool, but those will be here in a week or so. Then we'll get the center caps on, and it is perfect. I love this. These are, you know, I really slept on these wheels. I wasn't really crazy about them. I wasn't really crazy about any Schnitzer wheels until Kyle brought them over and I test fitted them. And well, I saw them on his car and I loved them, and then I test fitted them with the Air and I really loved them. I think like they're not too much, you know. They're simple, but they're cool. Like 5-spokes are the best wheels on these cars, I swear. I have 5-spokes on all my cars except for, you know, my Chevy, but it's just, I don't know, it fits the car. Like it's the same German time, the time period is right. They're sweet. I'm really stoked about these. I gotta dial in my ride height. That's the thing I don't like about this Air system. I don't understand how to set the presets. So I'm gonna have to download the manual because I'm really annoyed at always having to like have to get out of the car and check where I'm at, and they're not set up right, so they're like, can you even see this phone screen? Probably not, but like they're across from each other, both the rears and both the fronts, so it's a really big pain in the ass. But let me try to set up my ride height really quick and I'll show you guys what that's gonna look like. So this is probably gonna be my ride height. Like I said, I don't have it preset, so I kinda gotta mess with it every time, but this is basically where I would ballpark it every time. I could turn up front and it still looks good. And this is kind of where I don't really like air suspension because, I mean, a lot of you will probably say that this is way too low, but this is just how I like to ride. And at this point, I mean, I might as well just run coilovers because I'm hardly aired up from, you know, aired out. Like it's really hardly any different. I mean, the front obviously, but the rear isn't all that much. Like I would be fine if the car always looked like this. Like I don't need that little extra like inch to go down for like fitment wise, because I just prefer to drive a car how I park the car. But I mean, it's on the Air already, so to, you know, pull it off and get new spindles and weld coils on, it's not really worth the time. So I'll probably just leave it like this. But I gotta set up my presets. I really gotta figure that out because it really makes this annoying because I have to get out of the car and look at my ride heights all around. But anyway, I'm stoked. Finally got wheels for this car. I've been promising this for months now. I mean, literally months. I still have to do all the maintenance on this car. I still gotta do a bunch of gaskets in the engine and stuff like that. I got those all sitting, so I'm gonna get to that eventually and film some more videos with this thing. But for now, I'm stoked. Finally got some wheels so I can actually enjoy it, because I mean, I just can't, you guys know me, I just really can't enjoy a car that's not modified and stuff. I don't know, just like I need a car to be like modified to really like enjoy it. I don't know why. Stock wheels disgust me. And not on all cars, like on classics like 80s BMWs, they're fine, but E34s and stuff, I like them to be modified. So I'm really happy with this. These were half the price of the weds I had built for it. I think they look better. I think they fit the car better. So I saved some money, and I have, at the end of the day, a set of wheels I like better. So first drive on the new wheels, and I heard a screeching, and next thing I know, I see smoke. It looks like my clutch fan punctured my upper radiator hose. I'm not really sure how the fan had that much movement in it, but I'm gonna have to kind of look into that. Luckily, I bought this hose to do my refresh on this car, so I have it laying around, which is sweet. It kind of sucks that I have to do it, but it's a very easy fix. I just don't know why the fan would have wobbled into that or why it would have moved. I mean, I guess this whole thing's a little wonky, but still, I'm gonna have to look into that. So what better way for the first drive than to blow a radiator hose? And we made it home, so no overheating. Luckily we got it here, but that's a fun first test drive. So yeah, I don't know, it like squeaks and it hits it, and I don't know, it's not only when flooring it, it's not only when cruising, it happens kind of at all times. So I'm not really sure what is the deal here, why my fan's moving around, but I'm gonna have to look into that. So that will be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll fix that in the next one. Take it easy.